In the previous video, we saw volume spread analysis in detail. That's basically we saw what is the interpretation of volume and spread when it is appearing as in market. Now we will see sign of strength in this particular video. That's basically there are 8 sign of strength. Let's look at each and every sign of strength in detail. Other than it, let's see when does this sign of strength appears. So basically what the manipulators of the professional money does is they show the public other direction and they take the U-turn. That's basically they show us they are going down and they take up, and that's what exactly happens in sign of strength. So basically sign of strength appears in down bar. And now let's see the 8 types of sign of strength. The first type is bottom reversal. That's basically suddenly the price goes down and from here there is a reversal. So this particular action is called bottom reversal. As you can see in screen, this particular area is where bottom reversal happens. Then comes the second, that is stopping volume. That's basically there was a selling climax before, then the demand is actually coming down, second bottom, third bottom, like this price comes down, but the volume actually reduces and suddenly it increases. This particular action is called stopping volume. Then comes the test. As we saw in our accumulation phase, there is a phase C where the test usually happens. So when the prices are tested in high volume, this particular point is actually called test. Then comes widespread Upbar closing on the highs. That's basically there is a few signs of strength, and then it closes, it breaks out the region and closes in a very strong position. So again, we shouldn't confuse this with buying climax. This is a pure breakout and we need to learn to differentiate this reading the cause of our action. That's basically what exactly the operator wants to do. Then comes the fifth. The fifth is actually called bag holding. What actually happens is once the breakout is given, sometimes it comes to absorption. That's basically the price comes back and takes in all the orders which are there. So this particular action is called bag holding. Then comes our classic selling climax. That's basically if the price is falling down suddenly there is a huge very high volume, and that particular thing says it is actually it is a climatic action, that basically almost every retailers are trapped and kind of all new, all the retailers supply is got by professional money. Then comes the shakeout. Again, shakeout is kind of selling climax, but basically the trend is in trading range and suddenly it falls to a new low, but it suddenly comes out. That's basically it goes down and comes down. It's kind of a spring action. Spring, when it is more dramatic, it is called terminal shakeout, and that's exactly this 7 sign of strength is. Then comes the 8th sign of strength, when there is no supply or no selling pressure. That's basically price is going down, but there is no volume at all. That's basically price is trying to go. The spread becomes narrow, but the volume is also not supporting. That's basically to take the price down. There is like no professional interest, and this all makes as a sign of strength. So these all 8 points are very important to remember when we are actually trading trading using volume spread analysis, or we want to interpret what is the manipulator trying to do.